Hi! For those who have been asking when CRB is open for application and when can I apply for CRB and where can I apply for CRB and how can I apply for CRB, we have a new development today. There's a news release from the Canada.ca website and I'm just gonna inform you today what those good news is. I'm Honey, and if you're just new here, I've been vlogging about the benefits we are getting in Canada during the pandemic. Thank you so much for watching and for all the love that you've been giving us. Since I posted my last CRB update, I've received a lot of love and support for my channel. I've received new subscribers, and then thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I cannot believe that you are here with me. So please continue watching and I will be updating you as soon as there is available information in the website. So here, it says that the legislation to support the new recovery benefits and extend funding for COVID-19 measures receives Royal Assent. So I searched online and Royal Assent meant that it's a method by which a monarch formally approves an act of the legislature. So I guess the legislation has been approved. So now, the Canadians can now apply for new recovery sickness and caregiving benefits on Monday. That is October 5, 2020. And right here, these are the benefits that you will be getting. So the Canada Recovery Caregiving benefit of $500 per week for up to 26 weeks per household for workers unable to work for at least 50% of the week because they must care for a child under the age of 12 or family member because schools, daycares, or care facilities are closed due to COVID-19 and because a child or family member is sick and are required to quarantine or is at high risk of serious health implications because of COVID-19. And you can also apply for the Canada Recovery Sickness Benefit or the CRSB of $500 per week for up to a maximum of 2 weeks for workers who are unable to work for at least 50% of the week because they contracted COVID-19, self-isolated for reasons related to COVID-19, or have underlying conditions, are undergoing treatments or have contracted other sicknesses that, in the opinion of a medical practitioner, nurse practitioner, person in authority, government, or public health authority would make them more susceptible to COVID-19. These benefits will be paid on a weekly basis, meaning Canadians will have to reapply each week they are eligible. So unlike the CERB, where you can apply for 2 weeks period, this one is will be paid on a weekly basis to you, so you have to reapply every week. On the other hand, effective October 12, the CRA will open the applications for the Canada Recovery Benefit, which will provide eligible workers with $500 per week for up to 26 weeks for those who have stopped working and who are not eligible for EI or had their employment or self-employment income reduced by at least 50% due to COVID-19. This benefit will be paid in 2-week periods. So I had a viewer or a subscriber ask me before how the 50% reduction of income is calculated, and I did see in the website that there is an explanation now, which I will be vlogging on my next vlog because that will be very detailed. And I also want to read it more so that I can understand more. I just saw this right now, so that's why I vlogged right away, so I can put it out right away, so at least you know that the benefits are coming and that you won't spend another minute wondering when it will be ready for application. So to support the delivery of these new recovery benefits, the CRA will provide a simple and efficient attestation-based application process similar to the one that millions of Canadians relied on to access CERB payments. So my guess with when they say that they will be providing a simple and efficient attestation-based application is that you don't need to provide documents. You just have to attest that whatever you say or that you met all the eligibility requirements. Eligible individuals will be able to apply for recovery benefits online through the CRA's My Account portal or by phone through the CRA's automated phone line. So I will be putting the phone number right here. So if you want to call them on October 5 for the Canada Recovery Caregiving Benefit application or the Canada Recovery Sickness Benefit application, then this will be the phone number to call or the CRA website. Or on October 12, 2020, when you are ready to apply for the Canada Recovery Benefit, this will be the phone number to call as well. Or you can also do it in the CRA. More information on how Canadians can get ready to apply can be found on the new Canada Recovery Benefits web pages. So I will be vlogging about that in my next vlog, but I promised one of the subscribers today that I will answer his question on my next vlog, and this will be the answer to, I did answer his question, but I just want to explain further regarding that. For Mr. Blue Boy, he asked me, he said,
I was terminated from my job due to COVID-19. The management explained the reason that they need to retrench employees because there's no more work available. Yes, there is a work shortage in the restaurant. So my question is, am I still qualified for the new EI benefits? Yes, I was receiving EI payment since April 2020, but it will end by end of September. Am I still qualified for the new EI benefits? Hope to hear from you, ma'am.
This Paranormal Explorer also asked me, she said,
I did my final report for CERB today and is wondering if I will still be transitioned to EI.
The confusion would be whether you are receiving the CRB or the EI, and receiving the CRB through the Services Canada will affect your entitlement or your eligibility to EI. So when you were receiving the CRB, it didn't really affect the number of weeks you will be getting from EI. So maybe you are thinking that by now, since you were receiving the EI for about 28 weeks already, that your EI will be over. It won't be the case. Your EI, number of weeks that you are eligible for, was not affected while you are getting your CERB from the Services Canada. Also, there might be a confusion on whether you are getting EI or CERB. I'm not sure if that is one of the that is also part of the question, but I just want to explain this quickly right now. I did explain this in my previous vlogs, but if you haven't seen that, if you've applied for EI from March 15, you are not getting EI, you are actually getting CRB. So from March 15 onwards, if you are getting the CRB, your EI eligibility, your EI number of weeks that you are entitled to receive will not be affected. You will still get whatever you are supposed to get before March 15. So, and even after March 15, if you've been working and contributing to EI as well while you are working, then you will also gain, then you will also be entitled to those weeks that you have accumulated while paying for those EI premiums every month. That is a question that I would like to address today. For Mr. Pingroll Jake, he asked if we have to meet all the criteria for EI before you can be eligible for EI. And yes, unfortunately, you have to meet all the qualifications for EI. That means you have to be employed for at least 20 insurable hours in the past 52 weeks, receive the CRB. The 52-week period to accumulate insured hours will be extended. Stop working through no fault of your own, have not quit your job voluntarily, are ready, willing, and capable of working each day, and are temporarily unable to work while you care for someone else or yourself, which is the EI Maternity, Parental, Sickness, Compassionate Care, and Family Caregiver benefits. So this benefit, by the way, has changed. I know initially they announced it will be $400 per week, but they just changed it to $500 per week, and you will be or $300 per week for extended parental benefits. And if you have been contributing to EI for a while now, and if you haven't, especially for those who haven't used it before, your maximum benefit that you will get is $573. You can maybe be entitled to more than 26 weeks. And I think that's it for today. Please subscribe and click the bell button so you will be notified whenever I post new updates on the benefits we are getting during the pandemic. So I have vlogs about how to apply for EI, which is in this vlog right here. If you are in that stage right now, you can check out my vlog. It will be showing you the step-by-step application process, and also I did vlog about the how to register for CRA account, MSCA account, and download a free tax account or free tax software, and anything else that I was hoping will be helpful for you living in Canada. Moving forward, I will be vlogging about our journey here in Canada, and I hope you will support us on that journey. I hope you don't get annoyed when I have to promote my channel, because just like you, I'm also working very reduced hours, and my husband just arrived. And so now this has become my job and my source of added income. Although I'm not earning anything as of right now, but I'm hoping that this will help me earn side income. So I'm sorry if I have to keep promoting my channel. I have to do it because now I have to survive. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. I I am beyond grateful. I am beyond grateful. Thank you so much for your love. So I hope you're safe and well wherever you are right now. Eligible individuals will be able to apply living our journey in Canada, because I know when I just got here, there had been I wished when I just got here, we faced a journey here in Canada, and I hope you will support us on that journey.